Measuring liquid in small vented tanks, such as medical fluid reservoirs, chemical dosing containers, and compact OEM vessels, presents unique challenges. Space is often limited, and consistent, accurate readings are critical. The MadisonSensor HS3500 addresses these needs with compact, reliable hydrostatic tube-level sensing. Designed for vented bottles and tanks ranging from just a few inches to several feet, the HS3500 delivers continuous level measurement with no moving parts, delivering high-resolution data with a quick response time. As liquid level rises, air inside the sensing tube becomes trapped and compressed. The increase in pressure is measured by the sensor and converted into a linear output that accurately represents the liquid level. Empty equals 0 volts. Full equals 12 volts. Also available in customer voltage or 4 to 20 milliamp outputs. Accuracy remains consistent across the entire measurement range. The HS3500 is available in stainless steel or PVC, offering durability while minimizing liquid intrusion. The HS3500 is available with an integrated siphon tube for adding or removing media. With accuracy down to 2 millimeters, the HS3500 is ideal for medical tanks and OEM applications where precision and space efficiency are critical. The sensor supports input voltages of 5 to 12 VDC, with output options including 0 to 5 VDC, 4 to 20 mA, or digital, making integration simple across a wide range of systems. It operates in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius, non-freezing, up to 85 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance across demanding environments. The MadisonSensor HS3500 delivers dependable, high-accuracy level sensing in a compact design built for demanding applications. With MadisonSensor, you install confidence.